Welcome back to UTake Exam Prep. Welcome to the 17th video of our AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate Exam Prep series. Today, we'll be looking at question 17 of the exam prep. Now let's jump right into it. A quick reminder that this video was split into 3 different parts. The analysis stage, where we analyze the question. The knowledge stage, where we explore all the key knowledge points this question has to offer. And the solution stage, where we take a look at the answer for the question. Let's first hop into the analysis stage. So here is the question that we're going to be doing today. Take a quick minute to pause the video here and read it. Are you done? Fantastic. The first step in solving a big, complicated looking question like this one is to find out what it's asking. And here, I've highlighted the key points of the question that explains what kind of answer we should look for. Today, we only have one thing highlighted in yellow, and that is the phrase, ensure that the EC2 instance can access the S3 bucket. This phrase entails that our answer should make sure that the EC2 instance can access the S3 bucket. And that's about it for this question. Not nearly as complicated as you thought, right? Now, time for the knowledge section of this question, where we look at things you need to know to understand and complete this question correctly. Now, I won't have enough time to go through all the key knowledge points in full detail because they have enough information to all require their own videos. So, for compensation, I will put links in the description of this video that will better explain what all of these key knowledge points mean in greater detail. The first piece of information that you should know is what is RBAC, or Role-Based Access Control. And as the name implies, it controls access permission to different resources through the use of assigning roles, which are themselves defined by policies. That brings us to the next knowledge point, which is an AWS policy. An AWS policy is actually as simple as something that defines a permission to something else. And roles are basically just a group of policy that that are put together so you can apply them to anything you want and basically have just a group of rules that applies to anything that you put it to. The next thing we see is IAM. And this is not a knowledge point that you need to know to understand this question. And due to the incredible depths of IAM, I can't really include an explanation in this video. But I do encourage you to search IAM up in YouTube after you watch this video and figure it out yourself. Or just go into the link I posted down in the description, because IAM will become very important later on. Now that we know what the questions is about and what the key knowledge points mean, let's move on to the solution. So here we can once again see the question, and we can first eliminate option B, because a policy assigned to a resource can only define what permissions other entities are allowed to do on this resource. We can then eliminate option C, because a group does not have a group does not define permissions. A group defines a collection of users and a collection of roles. We can finally eliminate option D, because AWS users cannot be assigned to an EC2 instance. This leaves option A as the only answer left, and if we look through it, we can see that it is indeed correct, because a role with a policy can be assigned to an instance so that the instance can access a resource. Thank you guys for watching this video of UTech Exam Prep, and if you made it this far into the video, first of all, thank you so much, and second of all, you probably enjoyed it and found it helpful. And if that's true, can you do me a huge favor and subscribe to the channel? It will really mean the world to me. Thank you.